One of the most important observations in physics, the law of conservation of energy, states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, and may only be changed from one form to another. American physicist Paul Hewitt used conceptual physics in displaying the formulas of energy and gravitational pull by expanding and imploding weights during kinetic regulation.
Because of a very important conservation principle called conservation of energy in physics, which states this: take some energy to lift the ball, yeah? Now it has energy of position, call that potential energy. I let go, it turns into energy of motion, kinetic, back to potential, kinetic, motion, but no more potential energy afterwards than that which I start with.
It is very important to note that when the brain is in use, it is operating on energy. It is channeling energy in the form of thought and is therefore transforming such energy from thought onto whatever action is inscribed. For example, when you illustrate a portrait in your head, you are consuming and transforming energy from a state of thoughtfulness into an image. Conversely, when writing a story, playing an instrument, singing, or typing, you are transforming energy from your brain's left hemisphere into words and expressions. When taking into consideration all the text you have written, every picture painted, and every thought projected, some very important notions need to be examined. In accordance to the law of conservation, it is noted that energy channeled from the brain activity must manifest itself from thought into another form. And just as negative energy can manifest itself in physical form, it can also manifest itself through the psyche and other non-physical properties such as neurotransmitters, which can then manifest through physical emotions. Yet the most important part of all this information is that everything in our universe is energy. To better understand that, we look through the universe and then we have a galaxy. In the galaxy, there's planet Earth. And on our planet, there are living organisms. These individual bodies are made of organ systems, breaking down organ systems into cells. Inside the cells, we find molecules, which then break down into atoms. Looking inside an atom, we finally find energy. When theoretical physicist Paul Dirac established energy physics through quantum mechanics, the notion of good versus evil and positive versus negative began to gain scientific acceptance. Yet destruction, violence, and all other forms of negative energy are always looked at through tangible and humanistic forms. And rarely is it debated how energy of emotions are actually channeled. For if we were to understand the physical transitions of this manifestation, we would truly understand ourselves and our universe as a whole. And this is the most significant and important part of the science.